Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the today's session we will discuss about the aging population and the diseases which is related with the aging population. Let's to go through the global data about the aging population. According to the UN report 2024, the aging population who have the age 65 and 65 plus age group is contribute 10.3% in the total population of the world, and it was 5.5% in 1970. It means from 2 to 3 decades it's become a double of the aging population. According to the UN report 2024, the total population of the aging 65 and plus years age is around 850 millions of the total population. If you will see the age group which is are the 80 years and plus of the 80 years is become a triple in 2070. According to this report, the projection in the 2070, the aging population of the 65 plus years will be reach 21%. Let's to go on the regional data. According to the UN report 2024, Japan on the first ranking with the aging population of the 65 years and plus age with the 30%. And the European countries on the second number in the ranking with the 21% of the aging population 65 plus years, and America on the third number with the around 18% of the aging population, and the China on the fourth number with the 15%, and India on the fifth number with the 7% of the aging population. Let's to come up on our country, the developing countries like Pakistan. According to the UN report 2024, the Pakistan aging population of the 65 plus years age group is around 4.3%, and it was in 2023 it was 4.2%, so means 0.1% increase in 1 year. According to the same report of the UN 2024, the Pakistan, the aging population who have the age of the 60 and plus, means age of the 60 years and plus, they are the 7% of the total population. According to the same report of the UN 2024, the projection of the aging population in Pakistan will be increased from 4.2%, it will be reach 8.5% into 2030, and in 2050 it will be reached at the 13%. So it means the aging population of the Pakistan is increasing very speedily. Those countries who have the low fertility rate, the aging population will be increasing in those countries. The 60% of the world population are living in those countries who have the fertility is less than 2.1. The working class in the Pakistan from 15 to 59 years of the age group is the 60% of the total population. It means our country have the more younger age group who will provide the labor, who can catch up the labor market or the global level and the local level. So what is the means of discussion of the aging population over here? The aging population will increasing day by day very speedily. So it is a very motivational indicator for the policymakers of the healthcare systems. So our preventive care will be shift towards the curative cares, because the aging population have more chronic disease and the non-communicable diseases and the fall injuries. So the high proportion of the chronic diseases and non-communicable diseases put the more burden or the cost on the healthcare system. So due to this aging population, we will think about the palliative care boom up. I hope in the today lecture we discuss about the aging population, the global data, regional data, and the local data of the aging population. We end up our lecture till to here, and the second part of this lecture we will discuss what type of the diseases which are related with the aging population. For such type of the informative lecture, remains in touch with the HPH YouTube channel, and the last I request you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get the new lecture notification as soon as I upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.